Very good morning, dear viewers. Very pleasant morning, very sunny morning. Today we are going to present very healthy and very special simple recipe, which is grapefruit juice, and you can call it smoothie also, which is full of vitamin C and all other health benefits. I hope you guys will like this. You guys can try at home. You can squeeze it manually or with good juicer. It's always very tasty, pleasant taste, lovely color, lovely look. Dear viewers, grapefruit juice and smoothies ready. This one is very good looking, lovely color, a lot of health benefits, full of vitamin C and minerals. I hope you guys, as always, like my videos. Please like, comment, share with all medias and your families and friends. So nice of you. And please don't forget to subscribe my channels and hit bell icon button so you can be notified for new videos in the future. So nice of you. Take care. Have a pleasant day, good day, lovely day. Bye.